What I wanted to mention before I even got started changing out that capacitor was to make sure that you pull the power to the unit and by the disconnect for the outside unit, and you want to make sure that you ground these terminals by just touching them, with something that's insulated, like a screwdriver or something. Otherwise, it's going to give you a big shock. I know some people just kind of tap on them and stuff, but these things are like the old tubes and televisions, where they carry energy inside of them, especially if they're going bad. So make sure that you do that before you ever touch the wires to the unit, okay? One of my repeat customers that called me, and when I got out here, I found what the problem was. It looks like this capacitor has bubbled up 30 plus 3. And since it's a little tiny skinny one, I had to go ahead and put in a new holder for it. Didn't have the correct size for the fat one, so I went ahead and just kind of squeezed it in. And so once I get this thing up and running, then we'll go ahead and check the refrigerant level and see if it needs any more refrigerant. Alright, we're going to go ahead and automatic on. And we got the fan here. And we got the common, and I always pull off the thermostat wire just in case, I touch something, metal or something, so that way I don't blow a fuse or anything. So we're going to go ahead and put that back on. And I got my gauges already set up, so we're going to go ahead and power up and make sure that this guy comes up and running. And he wants me to check this guy out too. So warm air out. Let me go ahead and get this back in. Stay with it here. It's only been on for both are up and running. downstairs here, this first one, didn't need any refrigerant, just needed a good old 30+3 cap. And then that one there for the upstairs, that took a pound and a half. So he's okay now, or excuse me, 2.5 pounds. Spoke to him about changing these equipment, but he says financially he's not ready to do it now. So anyway, totally understand that. So, anyway, we're done here. Thanks for watching, and we're on to the next one.